The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 will reportedly launch on August 5th, alongside few of the Galaxy devices. And now, thanks to leakstar John Poser, we now know that what the color of the Samsung next big flagship phone. There is no surprise that black is an option, nor white, though Poser states that this will be a white grey version. It's not clear whether he means this flavor of Note 20 will have two tones, or if it's just a greyish white. So we'll just have to wait and see until its release. The other shades are a little more unusual. First, there is a copper color, which we would imagine will be a straight callback to the metallic copper. The mint green shade is a bit more mysterious though. While Samsung has made green phones before, the green S10e and S10 handsets are a personal favorite. Also said to be launching soon is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G. But Poser reckons that it will just have two colors to choose between, black or copper. The color is of course far less important than what's on the inside. The good news is that Samsung seems to be throwing everything at the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus to ensure there are some best phones you will be able to buy in 2020. The Note 20 will be fast, of course, powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor with either 8 or 12 gigs of RAM. The Note 20 Plus should also build on 120Hz screen technology from the S20 series with LTPO technology. This will allow the phone to dynamically scale its refresh rate to save battery life. The camera setup for the Note 20 is likely to be the bigger improvement over the Note 10, and it's rumored that both Notes will inherit the camera tech from the S20 series. That means a triple array for the regular Note 20 and a quad setup with 108 megapixel lens from the Note 20 Plus. Although there is talk that the 100x zoom from the S20 Ultra has been dropped. Instead, you should expect a dedicated focusing sensor. With the Galaxy Z Flip 5G, the biggest upgrade should be the addition of 5G connectivity. The previous version supported only 4G LTE, despite costing about $1,400. All these things will have to wait until the official release. So what would you like to see in the upcoming Note series from Samsung? Do let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for latest update. Peace.